This guy has 10 children. 8. That's what you think. Kate, did you tell him the good news? She's pregnant. She's going to have twins. It's so good to see you.
You are absolutely terrific. How about it, huh? Jimmy great or what? You sound great. You look great. For an old guy, you're all right. You know what's amazing is that, I'm watching Jimmy, and, he mentioned the fact that we're from the same neighborhood, in South Philadelphia. I'm from 9th and Carpenter, and Jimmy was from 10th and Wolf. And these are two guys. You're talking about Moondoggie and Frankie and Annette from the Beach Party films. We don't even swim. Under the fire plug, we're really good.
We have a pool at 10th and Mifflin. Remember the pool? And my mom,
Swimmies, it was called.
Yeah. Swimmies. And my mom said, don't go there, get diseases. So they tell you that too. Don't go, you get a lot of diseases you go in this pool. So that made me afraid of swimming to begin with. But we don't swim. I couldn't swim to save my life.
No, but we drown very well. We're good at drowning. Well, what are you going to do? You want to do what?
You can do either one of two songs. You could do 3 or 4 songs. You could do Venus, or Beauty School Dropout. Would you like to do any of those?
All right, okay. None. No, I'll tell you what. Let's see. I just come through an operation with my eye. You know that. I had a thing called trigium. But there's a thing with my eye, which is fine now, otherwise, because I was walking around with a patch for about 1 month, and hey man, you know what I mean? Hey man. Little Sammy there. What do you want to do? 100 is change, man. All right, you want to do beauty school? Okay. Yeah. All right, this is a song talking about films, and seeing George Chikaris, a big fan of yours, George. You're just a great talent, and as a kid growing up and watching you, and all that stuff. Now you're a wonderful talent. But this is a song that I did in a motion picture where I played a character by the name of Teen Angel. No. Hold it, guys. There's the verse, yeah. Very important. This is the verse. What? Huh? Yeah, okay. I don't hear too good either. This here is good. Next. Okay, so Teen Angel is the guy that I played with Frenchie, who had a problem with beauty school, and all of a sudden Teen Angel comes down out of the clouds and he sings this song, hopefully. Your story's sad to tell, a teenage ne'er-do-well, most mixed up, non-delinquent, on the block. Yeah. I know my part, you don't know your part. Try it again, brother, start. You're not too busy, are you? All right. From the top. Give me the first chord, please. Your story's sad to tell. A teenage ne'er-do-well, most mixed up, non-delinquent, on the block. Let's forget the verse, all right? Because you all know it. Okay, so go from the boom, 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 boom. Okay? Beauty school. Oh, okay, hold on, guys, you know what? Hold it. We can't do that. Do you have Venus?
Yeah.
We'll do Venus. I think it's a B flat. Yeah. All right. This is impromptu, folks. This is why we have a thing called rehearsals. Don't worry about it. No big deal. Ready? Okay. Give me a little cha-cha rhythm. No, dum da da bum 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 ba da bum 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 ba da bum bum bum. Jimmy, what have you done to me? Where the? Hey, Venus. Oh, Venus. Venus, if you will, please send a little girl for me to thrill. A girl who wants my kisses and my arms. A girl with all the charms of you. Venus, make her fair. A lovely girl with sunlight in her hair. And take the brightest stars up in the skies and place them in her eyes for me. Oh, Venus, oh, goddess of love that you are. Surely the things I ask can't be too great a task. Venus, if you do, I promise that I always will be true. I'll give her all the love I have to give, as long as we both shall live. Now, Venus, oh goddess of love that you are, surely the things I ask can't be too great a task. Venus, if you do, I promise that I always will be true. I'll give her all the love I have to give, as long as we both shall live. Hey, Venus, oh, Venus, oh, make my wish come true. La, 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 la. Let's hear it! Let's hear it! That's all right.
That's one of my favorite songs of all time. Venus. I mean, I go into clubs and I say, this is a song that I recorded like in when did you do it? 1943. And I sing, Venus, if you, 1959, Venus, if you will. They say, it's not your song, it's Frankie Avalon's. I said, I didn't say I had a hit. I said I recorded it. Yeah. Okay. Okay.